Have you ever pondered about the future of artificial intelligence and how it might shape our day-to-day lives? It's a question that's been knocking around the edges of our collective consciousness for quite some time now, isn't it? Let's start by understanding what artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, truly is. It's the science of creating machines that can think, learn and adapt much like humans can, but with the added benefits of accuracy, speed and the ability to handle large volumes of data. Now, where do we see AI in our everyday lives? Perhaps you've asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, or you've used Google Maps to navigate your way to a new restaurant. That's AI at play. Your smartphone, your home automation system, the recommendations you get on Amazon or Netflix, all are examples of AI quietly working in the background to make your life a little bit easier. So, what does the future hold? Imagine your alarm clock waking you up and then instructing your coffee machine to start brewing a fresh pot. Imagine your car driving you to work while you catch up on your favorite podcast. Imagine a world where AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. These are not far-fetched dreams, but very real possibilities in the very near future. Yet amidst all these positive impacts, there's a note of caution. AI, like any tool, is only as good as the hands that wield it. It's essential that we use AI responsibly, ensuring that it is used to benefit society as a whole and not just a privileged few. There's no denying that AI has the potential to transform our lives, making us more efficient, unlocking new possibilities, and perhaps even redefining what it means to be human. But it's not an all-conquering robot overlord, nor is it a magic wand that will solve all our problems. So instead of fearing AI, might we not learn to embrace it as a powerful tool to enhance our daily lives? Despite the promise of AI, misconceptions abound. Shall we set the record straight? Let's first tackle the elephant in the room: job replacement. Many fear that AI will steal their livelihoods. While it's true that AI may automate some tasks, it's also a catalyst for job creation. For every job that AI might make redundant, it can create several more in industries we've yet to conceive. Think of it like the advent of the internet, which gave rise to countless careers that were unimaginable in the past. Next, let's address the notion that AI will lead to a loss of privacy. AI doesn't inherently invade privacy. Rather, it's the misuse of data that's the culprit. AI is a tool, and like all tools, it can be used for good or ill. It's up to us to ensure that regulations keep pace with technological advancements to protect our privacy. On to the next myth: AI posing a threat to humanity. Popular culture is rife with stories of AI gone rogue, but these are tales of fiction, not fact. AI is a tool, not a sentient being. It doesn't have desires or emotions. It does what it's programmed to do, nothing more, nothing less. The fear of AI becoming a threat arises when it's used irresponsibly or when it's not regulated properly. So, the real question isn't whether AI is a threat, but whether we can use and regulate it responsibly. The key is to shape AI in a way that benefits society. This involves creating ethical guidelines for AI development, promoting transparency, and ensuring that AI systems are accountable. And finally, it's worth noting that AI isn't an all-knowing, omnipotent entity. It has its limitations. It can't replicate human creativity or intuition. It can't understand context like we do. It needs humans to make the final call. Remember, AI doesn't have a will of its own. It is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. So how does AI fit into our everyday life? Let's dive into the practicalities. Every day, we interact with artificial intelligence, often without even knowing it. You see, AI is like a hidden companion, quietly lending a hand and making our lives a bit more convenient. Take, for instance, your favorite streaming service. Ever wonder how it seems to know just what you're in the mood for? That's AI. It learns from your viewing habits, preferences, and even the time you typically watch to recommend shows and movies you're likely to enjoy. It's personalized, it's intuitive, it's like having a personal concierge for your entertainment needs. And then there's our homes. They're getting smarter by the day. Remember the good old days when you had to get up to switch off the light? Now with smart home devices, all you have to do is say the word and voila, the lights are off, or on, or dimmed. Your wish is the command of these AI-powered devices. They're like friendly genies, making your home a more comfortable, more convenient place to be. Shopping online? AI is there too. It's that helpful assistant suggesting items based on your browsing history or reminding you of that product you left in your cart. It's the chatbot that answers your queries in the middle of the night when human customer service is fast asleep. Even in healthcare, AI is making strides. It can help doctors analyze medical images more accurately, predict patient outcomes, and even design personalized treatment plans. It's like a tireless, super smart medical assistant, always ready to lend a hand. So, you see, AI isn't just about robots and self-driving cars. It's about making our lives easier, more efficient, and less mundane. In fact, it's already doing so in ways we might not even notice. AI is not a distant future concept. It's here, and it's making our lives easier in ways we might not even realize. So, what's the takeaway from our journey into the world of AI? Well, let's recap. We've explored how artificial intelligence is more than just a futuristic concept. It's a tool with immense potential to transform our world. It's not a villain from a sci-fi movie, but rather a companion that can make our everyday lives more efficient. We've also debunked some common myths. No, AI isn't going to take over the world. It's a tool, not a tyrant. And yes, it's already here, subtly working behind the scenes in our smartphones, our homes, and even our workplaces. So what's next? Stay curious. Keep learning. Stay informed about the developments in AI. Because the more we understand, the better we can harness its potential. Remember, the future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create. And with AI, we have the potential to create a future that's more efficient, convenient, and full of possibilities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all things AI. Thanks for watching.